Confucius said, I hear, I know, I see, I remember, I do, and I understand. So understanding by doing is really important in the learning process. My name's Jeff Spinks. I'm a professor in materials engineering here at the University of Wollongong, and I'm also the leader for the manufacturing innovation theme of the Global Challenges program. Making actually is really important for universities, I think. Making is part of manufacturing. You know, manufacturing really is making on a commercial scale. And actually a lot of the research that we do in universities, particularly in engineering and the physical sciences, they're trying to tackle some big problems, things like clean energy, healthcare and so on, but they really only will have an impact if those research outcomes end up in the general community, and that will be through manufacturing in many cases, because we're in some cases trying to produce a new product. For example, we might be producing a new type of solar cell. Now that needs to be manufactured and then needs to be commercialised for it to have really any impact at all. A connection between industries and universities provides lots of good ideas for researchers. So where industry have a problem that they can't solve, it might be something like how do they make steel in a more environmentally friendly way. That's a really difficult problem, very fundamental. So by connecting with a university that has expertise in that area, that allows the opportunity to develop some fundamental research that can tackle those kind of big picture problems.
I'm Andrew Thompson, Business Development Manager in the Innovation Commercial Research Unit at University of Wollongong. Our local economy is full of manufacturing and engineering businesses that are looking to find new markets, access capabilities that they don't have to enable them to develop new products. The purpose of SMIG, Southern Manufacturing Innovation Group, was to bring a group of innovative companies in the region together on a regular basis to talk about what they're doing, what their future plans are, and then for them to learn more about the research capabilities at the university. So the Illawarra economy has always been based on steel production and mining, and with the change in the steel works, with the contraction there and the contraction in mining, there are hundreds of companies in this region that are needing to find new markets, new products to enable them to survive and grow. And they see the university as an opportunity for them to tap into capabilities to enable them to pursue those new markets.
So one of the key things that we're trying to do in the Global Challenges program is increase the interface between the university researchers and the outside world, because that's where we feel like we can have some impact by transferring our knowledge and understanding into the real world. And in manufacturing, that obviously means that we have to get university researchers and manufacturers talking together. So what we've done is we've found a dozen or so local manufacturers who have a sort of an innovation type of outlook, and we bring them together regularly to the university and get them to interact with researchers who also have a sort of a practical aspect to their work. And that's been fantastic. You know, the meetings we have are really energetic, lots of ideas are generated, lots of knowledge is shared, networks are formed, and we're already starting to see the benefits of those interactions through new projects that are emerging.